Okay, hi dear student. Hi dear student. Okay, the continuation chapter in that redox reactions. I think this redox reactions, I think it's near to the end. At last, we're going for the discussion of Stokes notations as well as the balancing redox reactions. If I discuss these two concepts, totally this redox reaction chapter is going to complete. Okay, so after this, I will go for some of the CT and NEET questions or the discussion of this redox reaction chapter only. I will upload one more video. Okay, let's see that. Okay, so see that one of the simple concept I'm discussing in this video, that is what types of redox reactions. I hope these types of redox reactions very important and basic fundamental. So what is meant by this types of redox reactions? You're going for the next uploading the video is called as types of redox reaction. I hope you people are know very well what is meant by redox reaction. Next is that there are some types of redox reactions are there. So what I just listed for you, already you people are know these types of redox reactions in previous in the SLC or maybe 10th class. So first one is that combination reaction. I think the name or whatever definitions, the meaning of these reactions itself it is there in their word. Combination reaction. Combination. We have to combine some of the substances. And decomposes. The decomposes, the word nodri ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಂದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಐತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸ್ ಕಂಪೋಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕುಡುದು ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗೋದು the decomposition reactions, the word decompositions reactions. Next see that displacement, I think you know these words in the physics very well. Displacements mean something moving or changing its place is called as displacement. Like that one of the substance is displacing, changing the position, or new substance will comes and one of the substances replaces. It's called as displacement reactions. These displacement reactions again classified into two types. One is called metal displacement. Nodri a displacement ಆಗೋದ್ನಾಗ ಏನಾದರೂ metal use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ metal displacement. If displacement used non-metal, then it is called as non-metal displacement reactions. Non-metal displacement. But last one, a disproportionation reaction. Most of the students they are going to confuse what is meant by disproportionation reaction. I think this one is very important. We are going lot of students and some people they are going to confuse what is meant by disproportionation reactions and all. So in this video I'm going to try to complete all these reactions with very clearly. So okay, so dear student, first one I will go for the first one. What is meant by combinations reactions? What is meant by combination reaction? So simple it is. The combination reaction means it is a chemical reactions. It is the chemical reactions in which one or more substances combine to give a single substance is called as combination reactions. Is called as what? A combination reaction. So simple, student. See example, you see that example, carbon plus oxygen gives rise to carbon dioxide. See that combining one or more substances gives a single substance is called as combination reaction. See that it is redox reactions or not. Notice the addition of oxygen to this, notice this one addition of oxygen, this carbon, so it is oxidation reactions. So this is one of the redox reaction. Well, similarly sulfur plus oxygen gives rise to sulfur dioxide. There are so many chemical reactions to students. So burning of magnesium, you people are know very well. 2 Mg plus O2 gives rise to 2 MgO. So there are so many chemical reactions, dear students. So many chemical reactions what we are going to observe. Fe plus S, sulfur FeS. There are so many substances. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ Mg ಬರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, MgO ಬರ್ತದೆ. So it is a chemical reactions. These are the type of chemical reactions or redox reactions in which a combination of one or more substances gives rise to a single substance. I think I hope it is very clear and very simple also. So next, dear students, I will go for the next chemical reactions. Wait for that. So the next chemical reactions, dear students, this is the decomposition reactions. What is decomposition reactions? It is also same. It is a chemical reaction. It is a chemical reaction. It is the chemical reactions in which the single substances break up into two or more substances on heating. See, all of you, it's very simple also. I think, I hope you people know this one very well. For example, so one of the main compound, for example calcium carbonate, so decompose, the meaning itself it is there in that. Decompose means split. Simple adre, adar olage word anolage adu meaning yaru ಗಾಬರಿ ಆಗುವಂತದ್ದು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಒಂದು ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಐತಿ, ಅದು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಐತಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಈ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಲಿಬರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. See that calcium carbon, loss of carbon, especially water, oxygen, decomposition reactions. So the decomposition, for example, water. So this one is going to see that water. This water is going to break up. This water, if we are going to break, going to thermally decompose. Thermally ನಾವು ಏನಾದ್ರು decompose ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it gives rise to 2H2 plus O2. But this reaction takes place with very dangerously, with some conditions. This reaction is going to take place. Okay, so there are so many chemical reactions we are getting for decomposition reaction. Just you have to observe, this is called as decomposition reaction. There are so many examples you are getting in the book, you have to refer, but I am explaining all the meaning of these chemical reactions. Okay, so dear student, next I will go for the metal exchange reactions. See, dear student, the next chemical reactions is called a displacement reaction. So the displacement reactions means is so simple. Once you see the definitions, it is so simple also. See that the chemical reactions in which one ion or it may be atom, one ion or atom in a compound is replaced by an ion or atom of other element is called displacement reaction. For example, so illondu ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಲ್ವಾ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದ್ದು AB plus C. So if I am replacing this B, I am adding this C to this A. So we are getting compound called as AC plus B. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ B ತೆಗೆದಲ್ಲಿ C ಹಾಕಾಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತೇನ್ರಿ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ, ದ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ one ion or it may be atom of a compound replaced by adding ion or atom. ಇದನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಟಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅಯಾನ್ ಹಾಕೋದು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಮೆಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಈಫ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ನಾನ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸಿ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಇಟ್. After learning this displacement reactions, just word metal displacement reaction. See that, I think, I hope you learned these reactions in the 10th standard. See that in these reactions, a metal in the compound is displaced by another metal in uncombined state. Uncombined state means free state anta artha. Andra, For example, this is a free state, this copper, iron, zinc, but this is combined state. See that this copper sulfate reactions with iron, it forms FeSO4. The Fe react with CuSO4, it gives Fe. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತದ, ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನೀಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ. ಹೆಂಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಐರನ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತದಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ? ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ಇದ್ರ ಕಾಪರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಲೆಸ್. ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಏನದ? ಲೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗ 3 ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ನೀಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಭಾಳ 2-3 ಸತಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದಿಸ್ Fe ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಕಾಪರ್ ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್. ಈ FeSO4 ಜಕ್ಕೊಳಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಇದ್ರ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳಕತ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚದಂದಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಳಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಪರ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡಾಗ್ತದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ವೀಕ್ ಅದತ್ತ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡಾಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ ಸಾಕು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ನೈಟ್ರೇಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಕಾಪರ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ನೈಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡಾಗ್ತದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ವೀಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಲೆಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ತರ ಕಾಪರ್ ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಜಿಂಕ್ ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಜಿಂಕ್ ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಕಾಪರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ಜಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಹಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನೀಟ್ KCET ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್. All of you learn it very carefully this. Okay. So next, non-metal displacement reactions. I will go for that. Non-metal displacement reactions. See all of you. The next is that non-metal displacement reaction. So simple. Displacement reactions andre ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು? AB plus AB combines with C, it gives rise to AC plus B. So one of them is displaced, either if it is metal or non-metal. ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲತ್ತಿರಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಸೊ either it is metal or non-metal. For example, see that one of the non-metal displaces another non-metal from its compound. For example, this one is sodium, but water is in liquid. See that here non-metal, ಈ non-metal H ಮತ್ತು OH ಅದ. ಈ OH ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ಈ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, non-metal. ಸೊ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಿಬರೇಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಜಿಂಕ್ 2HCl. ಸೊ HCl ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಜಿಂಕ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್, non-metalದಾಗಿನ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, H2 ಲಿಬರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ non-metal displacement reaction, students. At last one is disproportionation reaction. Most of the students, they are going to confuse. I will explain that. See, dear student, one of the last reactions. There are so many heat in this room. What I am doing for the video. Okay. See that. ಅದಕ್ಕಂತೇಳಿ ಬೇಗ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇದು ಮಾಡತ್ತೇನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. See that disproportionation reactions. What is meant by disproportionation? Most of them are going to confuse. ಬಹಳ ಮಂದಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ disproportionation reactions ಅಂದ್ರೆ. See that the disproportionation reactions also called as auto redox reactions. Auto redox reaction means self redox reaction. ತಾನೇ ರಿಡಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ಪಾಂಟೇನಿಯಸ್ ರಿಡಾಕ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ in which the same species, ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಐತಿ, that simultaneously oxidizes as well as reduces. ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಐತಿ, ತಾನೇ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಎರಡೂ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Example, see that example, you get it. For example, H2O2 hydrogen peroxide ಐತಿ. See that there will be both oxidation as well as reduction taking place. Here what happens? Loss of oxygen takes place, therefore it is reduction. So here, from here to here, gain of oxygen, it is called as oxidation. So it is self, this H2O2 is unstable. I think you people learned this one in a hydrogen chapter, H2O2. So both oxidation reduction takes place simultaneously in the same species, then it is called as displacement reaction. In the same species, both oxidation and reduction taking place, it is called as disproportionation reaction. See that P4, this P4 to this one hydrogen, and next this one H to this one. Not really. So what happens here? Addition of hydrogen taking place. Addition of hydrogens means what? It is called reduction. So ನೋಡ್ರಿ OH ಐತಿ ಇದಕ್ಕ addition of oxygen ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ O ಅದಾವ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ addition ಅದಾವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So ಅದಾಯ್ತಾ. So then it is called as oxidations. So simply mean that the both reduction oxidation takes place in single reactions or single species, then it is called as disproportionation reactions. I think, I hope it is very clear. ಒಂದೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಅದರ ಬೋತ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದರ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. That is called as auto redox reactions or simultaneous redox reactions, spontaneous redox reactions. I think, I hope I explained these reactions very well. Okay, so please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you one and all.